Welcome to one of the most important Brownbacks to Stardom segments of the year. It's the start of a new school year and the start of another year for Brownbacks to Stardom to offer kids of all ages in Hawaii the opportunity to showcase their musical talents and to tell their stories through music and lyrics. And it is also helping them to expand their creative minds. Brownbacks to Stardom has discovered more stars locally, nationally, and internationally than any music entity in the schools. For some, it launched million-dollar careers, while others gained local notoriety, and for many, it was the chance of a lifetime. In the following weeks, we will be providing information on how you can be part of this year's Brownbacks to Stardom Live Talent Contest in the schools. The Music Video Challenge has been expanded to include middle school students, college students, as well as high school students. It's the toughest, but the most beneficial music contest ever in the schools, where students are able to submit original songs and have it aired on television right here and around the world. We will be right back with more Brownbacks to Stardom on OC16.